issued a flash flood warning for southern Jasper County in central Georgia, northwestern Jones County in central Georgia, northern Monroe County in central Georgia, Putnam County in central Georgia, Lamar County in west central Georgia, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. At 9:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, radar and automated rain gauges have estimated between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Barnesville, Eatonton, Forsyth, Milner, Aldora, Adneyville, Hillsborough, McElhaney's Crossroads, Juliet, Round Oak, Brenner, Blanchard, Stantonville, Blount, Willard, East Ridge, Risso's Crossroads, Collier, Warfield, and Johnstonville. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.